So just finishing up with the driver's school. I was an instructor here with BCA, and they got a little bit of time here after that. The instructors get to go and have some fun. So taking the Corvette for its very first time. Just did my very first run in it. Brakes smell like they're on fire. Got some brake fluid, I think, on one of the pads, but doing good. I forgot to turn traction control off, which you have to do in the Corvettes to get them to run right. So we'll see. So far the car's doing pretty damn good, and I'm so damn excited to be driving this. I trying to test out my data logger, so if I have footage of that run, maybe I'll put it after this. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll get some race footage of this thing soon. I gotta get going. Peace. So my data logger did work. You're gonna see some cones down because they left them down during some of the instructors' runs, but just listen to the car do its job. So I feel like a complete idiot. Now this is a pretty good time, 43.8, but I realized after watching this and looking at my data logger, I did not set any of my shocks. They were all on their base transport settings. That totally explains why the car was so twitchy. I thought it was me. It still could be me. But damn, I feel like such an idiot. My first run forgetting to turn off traction control, and then all my runs without setting my shocks. I'm such an idiot. I can't believe after a year of not driving my Corvette, I completely forgot to set my shocks. They're 3-way adjustable. So, anyway, I'll do better next time. All right, so the yellow color is actually kind of working for me. I never thought I'd like a yellow car, but I don't know. Kind of like this one. Just got done doing races. I think I nailed the setup for the alignment and got the tire nice and warm evenly across. I'm starting to burn the edge of this rib and this one, so looks like I got some even coverage. They're telling me that I got the fastest time of the day in the practice run with the instructors, so feeling pretty good. Even the back's looking pretty good. Starting to chunk this in here. Had to remember what my temperature setting was, or my pressure settings were, because I kind of forgot. From when I had the car driving before, but those seats are absolute trash. Spent all my time trying to figure out what seat I'm on, or not what seat, like holding myself in. So that's it. I'm gonna end it here. Hit subscribe. You see this car at a race tomorrow. I'll have some actual race footage of it. Hopefully going real fast. Did pretty good today. Hope to do pretty good tomorrow. So anyway, catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.